Welcome to TBS Factoring's Fuel Finder. In this video, we will show you how to navigate the TBS Fuel Finder website that can be conveniently accessed using any device. So buckle up and let's go for a ride. The TBS Fuel Finder keeps more dollars in your pocket by showing you which fueling stations are the cheapest. This exclusive and easy-to-navigate program leverages the full power of the TBS Discount Fuel Program with real-time data. It's super easy to use. Just visit fuelfinder.tbsfactoring.com on any device. Enter your username and password from the credentials you were provided by your TBS representative. Your username is your TBS client ID, and your password is either your MC or DOT number. The main page of the TBS Fuel Finder is a map where all the fuel stops in your area are color-coded with either green, yellow, or red markers. Green indicates the cheapest price, yellow indicates a medium price, and red indicates a high price. Think of it like a traffic light. Green, meaning go for it, stands for the cheapest fuel. Yellow, meaning slow down, stands for a moderate amount of savings. And red, meaning stop, stands for the most expensive fuel in your area. On the top right side of the TBS Fuel Finder page, you'll see a funnel. If you click the funnel, you can select which settings you'd like to see on the map. For example, if you'd like to see only green and yellow savings amounts, set the red $3 mark button to off. Here you can also filter by EFS fuel card locations or Comdata fuel card locations. Next, you can select a radius, state, or fill in a fuel price that you'd like to stay under. You also have the options of fuel ahead en route and expand station range. At the top of the TBS Fuel Finder page, you will see a menu bar that offers you the options of Find Fuel, Route, Save, Load, Help, and Log Out. By selecting Find Fuel, you can select a range of miles from your current location where you would like to see the nearest fuel stops. By selecting Route, you can input a starting location and an ending location to see all the fuel stops along the way. Here you'll have the options to select Avoid Tolls and Avoid Interstate. By selecting Save, you can save your current settings as a route that you can come back to and use later if this is a route that you typically drive. If you do save a route, it will show up here by selecting Loads. There will be a drop-down where you can select from all the routes that you've saved. One cool thing about saving a load is that you can also save which types of fuel you'd like to see, such as green or yellow, from the funnel list. By selecting these and saving your route, you will always only see the price ranges you need. Next, if you select Help, you will be routed to another web page that will provide you with contact information if you need additional help with TBS Fuel Finder. This page also provides you with definitions of what each item means on the TBS Fuel Finder website. And last, by selecting Log Out, you'll be logged out of the TBS Fuel Finder website. We hope you enjoyed this video. Here at TBS, we're always thinking about the impact on your wallet. TBS Fuel Finder is the smartest way to create great savings for every route you're gonna take.